Hi, Rian. Paano ba ito? Ah, okay. Hi, Jacob. Ba't ka nandito? La. Join first ka nga. Mag-join first ka dito, dali. Rank number 1.
Lagot ka!
Bakit?
Ba't ka naka-live?
Wala naman sinabi.
Ano lang?
Nasaan ka? Dapat join ako dun kay Q. Kaso English kasi. Nanonood lang ako.
I miss you.
Yeah, me too.
Wala ka na dyan, mag-live ka na dyan. Kaya mo na yan.
Yeah.
Mo naman kumain.
Hero. Hi, Hero.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Malis dito.
Paano ba? Kick na lang.
Kick mo ko. Live well.
Disconnect. Paano ba?
Yeah, disconnect. I think.
Connect, no?
Yeah.
Hindi ako yung mawala eh.
Hindi yan. Or ako. Wait lang, ako alis.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Just let the music come in. Haggard ko naman. Si Kuya Wave ba to? Hi, Kuya Wave. Why you here? Super haggard ka naman. You can ask me some questions about Bida next. Sino yung nag-inspire mo para maging idol? It was really BTS who inspired me. Ito pa ba si Hero? Hi, Jana. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po sa mga nagko-congrats. Thank you. Ano nga yung nananakit na ako sa compare sa si Edam? Para siyang screen. Si Edam, para kang nanonood ng YouTube. Naka-live si AJ. Yeah, super bango din ni Edam. Ako sa Horizon bias. Bias ko sa Horizon is si Jeremy. Thank you, Yang. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Raja J. Ba't naman nagtatampo? Sobrang over. Dapat din yun. Where did I get the name Tel Kuya? It was really my name. Real name ko talaga yung Tel. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan siya galing. Can't wait sa debut niyo. Me too. Thank you so much, everyone. Naka-live pa rin ba si AJ? Hi Hero, you're back. Oh. Anong unang naisip mo nung in-announce ka as part of the debut group? Na-feel ko, actually, at that moment, walang pumapasok sa isip ko. Basta alam ko lang that moment, masaya na ako. Hi Kuya Jay! Super saya ko, like, nag-enjoy lang ako sa stage kasi wala, super saya ko lang kasi dream ko lang naman talaga umabot ng finals. Promise. Like, my goal is just to be on finals. Kasi, win or lose, madami ng opportunity na darating sa'yo pag nasa finals ka. Kaya, super grateful na din na I'm one of the 9 dreamers. Super saya, until now, di pa rin siya nag-sink in. Hi Tel, mali ang spelling mo, Kim Renz. Ano po ma-advise nyo po sa mga gusto rin pong maging idol? My advice is be strong mentally, emotionally, and of course physically. Kasi training is not easy. Hindi siya madali. Before, kala ko madali lang training, ganyan. Pero nung nandun na ako, while training with other trainees, super hirap niya. And nahihirapan ako at first, pero andun ako sa moment na ine-enjoy ko lang every moment with them kasi wala, ginusto ko rin siya. Yeah. I was just happy. And every training, every day, iba-iba kasing pinag-aaralan namin dance and super saya niya. Ayun lang. Right now, nami-miss ko na yung mga members ko. I miss my 9 dreamers. I miss Dream Team. I badly wanna see them. Hi, Mary Grace. Kuya Jay, di pa rin maayos. Di pa rin maayos ang hair. Sana magupitan mo ko ulit sa J Salon. Kuya Jay, pagupit na ako ulit bago lumipad ng Korea. Si Mama Gigi to. Hi, Mama Gigi. Thank you so much. Miss you all. Super proud. Oh, thank you so much, Mary Grace. Thank you, Rovis. Wala. Mas masaya talaga kung pagkasali si Jacob sa Dream Team. Actually, Is my thought gas well si Jacob. Pero I'm sure there's something bigger pa na darating kay Jacob. Jacob is a friend of mine and I know he's really deserve to be on Dream Team. But I guess hindi pa time ni Jacob. He's young. He's just 18. And I know ito talaga yung passion ni Jacob. Hi PKO. Sorry Cap. PKO. I miss my members. I miss Ivan Yong. I miss Yuno Yong. I miss Zor. I miss Francis. I miss Johan. I miss Smile One. I miss Jello. I miss Dylan. May di pa ba ako nabanggit? TKO. Miss you. Hi Marg. Rhythms of tonight. That's all my body. Is ko na ang Nine Dreamers. Just let the music go with them. The sun. May balita na ba si Ivan at Yunho? Paano na yung Kingdom? Aalis sila doon? No! Hindi sila aalis ng Kingdom, guys. Magiging dalawa yung contract nila. Dito sa Be The Next at The Kingdom. Bali, 2 groups. Hi, Zanya! Hello! Hi, Zanya. Favorite action ko po nung yung rank niyo po is malapit po sa rank nila, Kuya Dylan. Alin doon? Yung nag-rank 3 ako? Yes. Super unexpected kasi. Super unexpected nung rank 3. Akala ko, any rank lang talaga wini-wish ko during Mission 2. Basta makapasok sa finals. And then, binigay sa akin yung rank 3. I was very grateful. I was happy. I am happy. Hello po, Barbie. Favorite performance sa buong journey ng BTS? It was really the Galaxy Voyage. Galaxy Voyage yung fave ko kasi vibes ko yun eh. I mean like, super vibes ko yung Galaxy Voyage and out of all the performance na pinapractice namin, ayun yung sobrang mabilis, mabilis ko natutunan. Kasi nga, gusto ko yung song, Galaxy Voyage. And because of that song, doon ako nakilala ng ibang Dream Keepers and at the same time, nag-rank 3 ako. And wala, super gusto ko yung gusto ko yung vibes ng Galaxy Voyage. Yung ate ko po, vinote ka po simula pa lang po. And sobrang happy niyo po. Thank you, Chelsea. Pakisabi sa ate mo, thank you so much for voting me. Kala ko walang bumuboto sa akin. Nanonood ka ba ng anime? No. Pero may napanood akong anime before. Your Name, Kimi no Now. Hi, Alex. Why you here? Ba't nandito ka? Do you wanna join? Guys, Alex is here. Do you wanna join?
Laban si Rex.
Yes, I'm bored. Join ka. Nandito si Jacob kanina. He's eating, kaya umalis. You lose me. Nasasamgyapan ako. Ay, miss ko ng Nine Dreamers. Anong ma-advise nyo? Look, may Teletubbies. I bought this sa SM Dasma. Charon. May group name na po ba kayo? Secret. Group name. Secret. Can't disclose. Oo nga, nag-live si Kelvin. Kagabi. Oo ba? Yeah. Wow, may pag-gift si Alex. Anong gift yan, Alex? This is Lala. Ang cute nung parang antena niya. Right? Binili ko siya sa Expression. Pa nakita kaming Nine Dreamers, magpipicturean ko sila while holding this. Picturean ko sila na hawak nila to. And dadaling ko rin siya sa Korea. Yellow ba yung favorite color mo? No. Favorite My favorite color is blue and gray. I mean, si Lala lang yung favorite kong character sa Teletubbies. Yung ang cute niya. Hi, Vince Cloyd. Hello, Vince Cloyd. Guys, Song Kwan is here. Same kayo, Ice. Uwe ba? Can you shout out Stephanie May Abakahin? We're really fan of you. Thank you, Stephanie May Abakahin. Kuya, please try to cover Yellow by Treasure. We was about to cover the Yellow by Treasure with BTNQ before. Kaso hindi na namin siya nagawa. Kaya Saruru Challenge na lang nagawa namin. Nasa ano siya? Be the next na TikTok ni Saruru. Ano position mo yan? I still don't know yet. May position sa group. Mamimiss ko tong mga live mo. Naka-live si Jello? Uwe ba? Actually, mamimiss ko rin tong gantong like interaction sa mga fans. Kasi for sure, as soon as possible, di na kami papayagan mag-ganito. Kaya for now, sinusulit na namin lahat. Kasi pagbabawalan na kami again. Wait, check. Virtual fan. Yung admin ko, tsaka ako, nagpa-plan kami magkaroon ng Google Meet, kagaya ng kila Zor, Dylan. Yung Google Meet ba yun? Fan Meet? Yun nga, yung virtual fan meet. And feel ko i-announce na lang sa Teletubbies na page. Make sure naka-follow kayo para. Ayun, kakatapos na kay Jello. Kuya, when ka pa naging fan ng Treasure? Tama ba? Hindi ko makita. Ang Treasure, 2021 or 2020. I became fan of Treasure 2021. Tama ba? Oo, 2021. First comeback ko yung Jikjin. Tapos naiyak ako kasi mamimiss ko kayo. Yes, kaya sinusulit talaga namin. Sinusulit na namin tong moment na actually we don't know nga kung allowed ba tong ginagawa namin paglalive. Since wala din naman sinabi sa amin na bawal, wala pa naman doon sa ay bawal pala sabihin. Ano pang favorite song mo sa Horizon Tel? Lovey Dovey. Yes, Jikjin Ira. Super sakit. Super sakit. Kayo as a group. Yes, ayun yung hinihintay ko. Mag-live kami as a group. Kasi super bardagulan lang kami niyan, dalawa ni Francis. If mag-live kami as a group. Nai-imagine ko. Yeah, I saw it. Galing ako sa live ni Q. Teletubbies. Thank you, Lara, for liking the live. Lapit na. Yeah, sobrang chaotic ng promise. Lalo na't magkaka-humor kami ni Francis tsaka ni Johan. Share ko lang, pinaka-close kong member sa 9. Actually, lahat naman. Yeah. Pero sa humor, siguro, pinaka-humor ko, na malapit sa akin, na malapit sa humor ko, si Johan. We're bestie ever since. Kailan kayo mag-debut? Actually, you don't know them. Abangan nyo na lang guys. I hope supportahan nyo kami. Ako lang ba yung kahawag ni Johan sa mentor check? Ako, John Miguel, pag sinabi mo kay Johan yan, malaki ulo nun. Actually, meron nga. May resemblance sila ni mentor check. Wait na. Kuya, Myanmar fan. Hello! I forgot yung tinuro ni Smile. Simutan ko. Smile One taught me some Burmese words, but I forgot it na. Waiting sa debut. Thank you so much, Kate. Si Kate pala to. Hello, Kate. Kuya, mahirap bang makipag-usap sa Korean members? Sa dalawang Korean, kila Ivan Yong at Yoon Yong, actually, hindi siya mahirap kasi kaya naman nila mag-speak ng English. Like, basic English, nakakapag-communicate sila. Pero kapag may malalalim silang ina-explain, tinatawag namin si Kuya Lance kasi si Kuya Lance yung parang translator namin doon sa loob ng show. And close kasi yung tatlo talaga, like trio talaga sila. Si Yoonho yung Ivan yung tsaka si Kuya Lance. Nasa Korean na ba si Yoonho at Ivan? Ay, hindi ko alam kung pwede sabihin. Ang hilig nyo mag-live pag 12 na. Sorry. Sorry po. Tell if you didn't debut, who would be your bias from the debuted ones? Oo nga, no? Siguro magiging bias kasi Smile. I don't know. He's just genuine as a person talaga. Like, super genuine is Smile. TMI lang, fun fact. Ako yung first teacher ni Smile sa Signal Song. I'm the one who teach Smile dun sa Signal Song. Even tanongin niyo pa si Smile, lagi niya ako sinasabi na ako daw yung first teacher niya sa Signal Song. Sa pagtuturo ng Signal Song kasi, pagkalapag niya pa lang dun sa hotel, and then kinabukasan, pinuntahan ko na siya, I introduced myself to him. And then, natuwa siya nung sinabi kong, may pinanood kasi kaming video sa kanya na nasayaw kami. I don't know if nasa dito siya. Wait, let me find. And yung sumalubong sa kanya doon sa room niya is ako, si Kyo, and then si Kai. I don't know if you know them. Si Kyo tsaka si Kai. Tatlo kami sumalubong sa kanya. Wait, dito pa ba yung video? Let me check. Wait, itong video. Itong video yung pinanood kay Smile. And then, nagulat siya na ako pala tong nasa gilid. And then, I insist na ako na magturo sa kanya. Doon sa Signal Song. Kaya ako yung first teacher niya. And super bait kasi ni Smile. As a person. Super genuine niya. And super galante niya. Mahilig siya man libre. May manual words, phrases ka na bang ano? Actually, meron siyang tinuro, pero nakalimutan ko kung ano yung tinuro niya. Actually, mahirap yung pronunciation ng Burmese talaga. Di ba sa Korea po kayo mag-debut? Yes. Sa Korea po kayo mag-debut. Bagay din name niya sa kanya. Actually, hi Kai. Ito pala si Kai. Naka-live kaming lahat, we. Sino mga naka-live? Pwede ba mag-isahan na lang kami? Dahil pinapasabi na Q mag-join sa live mo. Wala naman siyang din sinasabi. Q, where are you? Join here, Q. Hi, Heron. Hindi siya marunong. Paano? Siya na lang mag-join dito. Sayang yung ano ko. Oh yes. Oo, kita ko nga. Mga naka-live sila lahat. Request to join. Q, join ka. Ay, ba't ko tinagalog? Q, join here. If you're watching. Join here. Tanong pa kayo about BTN. I'm so fun to answer questions. Hi, Kali. Hoy, Kali, yung hikaw ko di mo na talaga binalik, no? Alam nyo ba guys, si Kali, may ano yan, may hiningi yan si Kali sa akin. Hindi may hiningi. Parang binarrow niya sa akin na hikaw. And yung hikaw na yun super like memorable sa akin kasi yun yung hikaw na ginamit ko nung level test. Ginamit niya yun nung second elimination. Tapos di niya na binalik. Under MLD po ba kayo magde-debut? Yes. Yes, MLD po. Who's your favorite main vocalist in BTN? Actually, madami sila. Super dami. Mga vocalist ng BTN. Saan ba? Sa 9 or sa buong show? Renz, saan ba? Sa buong show or like do sa 9 Dreamers na? Kasi madaming walang nagjo-join. Hi user 04262020V. Yung asa 9 ang favorite kong vocalist. Ang hirap yung mga kaibigan ko kasi sila lahat. And sino ba favorite vocalist ko? Siguro si Jello. Give na natin na magaling si Zor in terms of everything, pero vocal wise, i-give ko kay Jello. Yes. And then sa 75 Dreamers, Kuya Christoph. I swear. So, si Kuya Christoph. Super ganda ng vocal ni Kuya Christoph. I swear. Sobrang pogi ng boses niya sa personal. Kailan ba nagde-decide? Kayo ba ang nagde-decide sa niya sa mga performance niyo? Can't disclose that information. Q, nasan ka? Q, where are you? Q, where are you? Join here. Oh, okay. I'll invite you. Magandang na boss ni Cristo. Isa siya sa grabe yung pulot. Hi, Q!
Hello!
I miss you so much.
Uh-oh.
Can't see you. Paano ba ito palakin?
Oh.
Ah.
Why? Why am I so big?
How to fix this? Oh, this one?
Yes.
Q. Hi, Q.
How
Q.
are you?
I'm having fun.
Having fun?
How about you?
I'm doing
Is
good.
at home?
Yeah, I'm in
Met my
my
friends earlier.
Hello po.
Hello po. Oh. This one?
Yeah, I think.
What do you like or preference position sa group nyo? Position? I like to be a lead vocal
Let's stop.
in the group.
Yes.
Any position. I can do rap a little bit, dance, and sing.
Because he is like all rounder.
Really?
Yes.
You're eme ah.
No,
Amps.
not M. No amps.
You, someone said here, can you sing the signal song?
Next to you.
Feeling true.
Something higher, bright.
Bagay kami ni Sen. Actually, napag-usapan namin yan ni Zor. Sabi ni Zor, if wala daw akong position, baka i-center ako. And sobrang pressure sa akin. Sana kaya mo. Next to you. Do you want me to say what you teach me before? Thai words.
No.
Pinhi.
Can't say that.
Pinhi. Maliit ba si you guys? Maliit ba siya? Like sa screen, maliit siya? Or sa akin lang? Check ko. Pinhi. Ay, maliit. How to make this big? Ganyan. Ah. You how to fix this?
I don't know. No, that's fine. I'm actually gonna go. I'm just giving you for greeting you. Just
Oh.
enjoy doing your life. Just enjoy doing your life.
Wait, how to fix this? Sorry.
What?
Pinky.
Thank you so bye, Dimay. Yes, I'm doing good po.
Right in my... Let me check.
Yes. Good luck and take care po, Kuya, till I'm willing to wait for your debut.
Really? Thank you. I'm so mad at you.
So mad at me?
Yeah.
Why?
Before you leave, you didn't go to Novotel. You told me you're gonna see me before you leave.
I actually like booked the flight like on that day.
Yeah, but I'm sad.
Is it perfect gonna live together?
I don't know. Perfect. Yeah. You're small. How to fix this? It's so
I don't
big.
know. I'm actually like doing like this with perfect like last time, and then I fix it like for hours.
Really? How to fix
For what? DQ until my Saruru.
Yes, Saruru.
Saruru.
Say no ba? Saruru.
This.
Accept mo daw si Alex. Ay, mag-join si Alex. Alex. Yes. Oh, multi-guest does not exist.
Oh, Alexi.
Alex!
Hi, Alex.
My hair. Wait, bakit parang ano?
Paano ba to ayusin?
Parang kailangan mong pindutin yung ano, yung gilid.
Baka mapindot ko yung exit. Paano?
Mod.
Kuya, do international trainee book and pay their own plane ticket? You answer this.
Should we supposed to say that?
Their own ticket?
They pay for us. Yes.
Perfect, join here. I miss Perfect. How to fix this?
Vebs, parang ang liit naman natin, Vebs.
Kaya nga, Bebs, paano to ayusin?
Parang i-search mo nga sa Google.
Favorite K-pop group, Treasure,
Sure.
and girl group, aespa. How to fix this queue?
I don't know. I think Perfect can do it. Oh, but you are.
Perfect.
My phone won't stand.
Dito lang pala kayo magre-reunion sa live.
Yes, kasi may kasalanan yan si Isang.
Everyday no. Horizon Bias. Sample Espaso. Doing me regardless, and I don't care what to say about it. Bakit ang hilig mag-live ng mga 20 na oras na pupuyat? Tuloy ako. Bakit? Q, do you have fun in Philippines?
Yes, of course.
Really?
I have fun.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes, I'm so enjoying. While I'm in Philippines.
Your
Yes.
reaction when I announced as one of the dreamers, 9 dreamers.
What?
What's your reaction when I announced?
Me?
Yeah,
What's my reaction?
yeah.
I'm so glad. Did you see like on my close friends that I post? I was
Is that in your main account or in your dump?
yeah in my main account.
Your main account. Yeah. Will you come back in Philippines? Yeah.
If I have a chance, gotta go there again. Favorite Filipino food kill.
Are you
My
trying to audition to other companies right now?
yeah, I was
Thai
doing
company or Korean company? Try to MLB. Everything. It is not about this time. It's
every day.
a
Oh, wow.
Yes.
My favorite food in Philippines, I think it's It's what? It's beef tapa.
Beef tapa. Your favorite food here? Is your food always in breakfast?
I always eat that. Why are you doing makeup at this time? It's almost
How to
12.
fix this? Alex is small.
It's Kuyaki Rich. No, I'm not. I'm so broke right now.
Ay, how to fix this?
And I also like Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Yes.
You don't like the our pack lunch,
What?
our pack food.
No.
Why? Sometimes it's good. Sometimes
Yes, it's good sometimes, but most
I miss breakfast food.
you gotta go there again.
What ka nagme-makeup, Alex? Why Alex doing makeup?
Yeah.
You read this. Shout
Me?
out. Shout out to Joanna May, who's barking you. You were in Thailand, are you? You're in Bangkok, right?
When are you? I'm in Bangkok right now.
Bangkok. Sorry, is it hard being a trainee? Q, is it hard being a
Why? Why me?
trainee for you? Is it
For
hard?
me?
Yeah.
It's hard, but like it's fun.
It's fun, right?
Yeah,
It's a mix of fun and hard. If
but
you're enjoying,
it's
if you're
fun.
enjoying,
Like which is exercise. I don't like exercise when we have training.
really, you don't like exercise?
Yes,
It's my favorite part of the training.
it's exercise.
Yeah, I don't know.
What Alex saying?
I don't know. Alex, wala kang sound.
Didn't hear anything.
Wala kang audio, Alex. Who's deaf?
Wait.
Wait. Oh, doesn't have signal. Guys, may alam ba kayo paano to ayusin?
I'm gonna go by 12 in 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you for joining my live queue. I miss you so much.
I miss you too. I'm waiting for your debut. Okay. Everyone, please support Tail.
Please also support Q. See you on stage, Q.
I hope so.
See you on stage. See you in Thailand.
I gotta go. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much. I love you, Q.
I love you too.
See you soonest. Ah. Paano ba to ayusin? Everyday no one. Yes. Tell, ship Adi and Ron. To Kuya Ron and to Adrian. This is for you guys. Hi, Tel, congratulations. Thank you. Why Alex? Sino pa naka-live na dreamers? Telibabad. Cute naman, Telibabad. Ito ba naka-live? Everyday no one, no one waiting sa debut nyo. Thank you. I hope supportahan nyo yung group. Really? Wala namang nag-up dito na Alex. I've also... Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh, ng Yellow. Walang nag-up. Wala. Ayaw. Ayaw. Refresh mo nga. Alis ka, tapos balik ka. Galaxy Voyage is my favorite performance of all. Universe inside of your eyes, this might just break us apart. Baby, tell me what you wanna do, girl. Shine bright like... Ayun na. Shine bright like a moonlight. Into the stars where we're meant to go. Just follow your light into the dark. Alam nyo ba guys, si Zor ang nagturo sa akin. Hindi naman, in-help niya ako sa vocals. Pero siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng part ng pre-chorus. Kaya Zor, for you. Binigay sa akin ni Zor ng universe inside of your eyes. Kasi may tell na word. And he find it cute. Universe inside of your eyes. Wala kang sound. Promise, wala kang sound. Ask them. Guys, di ba walang sound sa Alex? Wala siyang audio. Oh, wala nang sound. Kuya Tel, parang di ako abot sa concert niya sa future for sure. For sure, matagal pa yun. Magkakapera ka pa. At kung wala, bibigyan na lang kita ticket. Choice. Sarap sa ears ng vocal mo, Tel. Nawala ka na naman, Alex. Yes, walang audio talaga si Alex. Sarap sa ears ng vocal mo. Kayo, anong favorite ng performance ko sa lahat? Starting from Maniac, Galaxy Voyage, and then yung last na. Maniac, Cold ng Horizon, Galaxy Voyage, tapos Fly Me to the Moon. Wala kang audio, Alex, promise. Galaxy Voyage, Fly Me to the Moon. Actually, yung Fly Me to the Moon, hindi ko talaga siya vibes, swear. Hindi ko talaga vibes yung Fly Me to the Moon. If si Mentor B di niya sinabi sa akin na mag-try ng ibang concept, after ng comment niya sa akin, like, nung comment niya sa akin, hindi ako magka-try ng ibang concept. Siguro nasa VVS ako. Pero kasi nag-take na ako ng risk na mag-try ng ibang concept. Pero if hindi, play safe ako, siguro na doon ako sa VVS. I told you, I want you. The best pa rin ng Magic with TXT. No! Sobrang traumatizing ng... Ito na si Alex, he's back. Cold. Yes, VVS. Super bagay ng VVS. Super bagay talaga ng VVS.
Wala pa din ba?
Ayan, meron na.
Yay!
Nagduloko ka ata kanina.
Nagloko. Buti pa. Okay lang ito yung nagloko kayo.
Ano ba guys? Nung Maniac. Super may sakit ang Teletubbies ni Maniac talaga. Kaya makikita nyo doon sa performance ko na hindi ganun hindi ganun ka-energy. Maniac nito. Talagang minaniac ako. Maniac era. And I'm very thankful kay Kuya Lance kasi inalagaan niya ako while I'm sick. I told you I want you. told you. Ay, nawala ka na naman. Wala kang sound. Tanungin mo sila. Wala ka talagang sound, promise. Guys, why nagloloko ang sound ni Alex? Hi, Marie. Di ba mahina? You are the shining diamond, yes. TMI lang, yung Cold music video namin. Pinapractice lang namin siya ng 2 days. 2 days lang namin pinapractice yung Cold. And super na-stress din kami doon. Kasi 2 days. And we need to practice the camera angles, the steps, and of course yung vocals namin. Kaya super na-stress kami doon. Hi Tel, ingat ka palagi and always take care of yourself. Thank you so much MJ. Thank you so much. Ikaw din, ingat ka palagi. I told you, I want you. You are the shining diamond beams. Oh, you got it, you got it. Good luck sa inyo. Looking forward to see you on the international stage. Oh, thank you so much. Alam nyo guys, when I saw the edits na kaming Nine Dreamers, isa na din kami sa magiging representative ng Philippines sa global. Parang natouch ako doon ng super. Like, ito na yun. This is it. And unti-unti, sana ma-appreciate tayo ng ibang tao. And nagalingan namin, promise. Oh, thank you sa 50 Rose Ming Kwan. Fave ko, Fly Me to the Moon. Galing nyo doon. Panood ko siya mismo. Like, really? Diba? Pero bagay ba sa akin yung gano'ng katagal nyo pinractice yung Fly Me to the Moon? Pinractice namin yung Fly Me to the Moon, yung dance, ng 1 day. Tama ba? 2 days pala. 1.5? Oh yeah, 1 day and a half yung sayaw. Vocals, 1 day lang din. And then yung we were given 1 week na para paglaanan ng araw. And then 1.5 days sa dance, 1 day vocal. And then yung mga natitirang days for cleaning na lang ng steps. Bagay ba sa akin yung Fly Me to the Moon? Practice ka na parang sa ending fairy. Kakahiya. Kakahiya ang ending fairy. Alam nyo ba guys, may hindi kasi na ipalabas ang, I don't know if TV5 o yung MNT. We have the shoot talaga na full performance ng Signal song. We're wearing uniform. And then, nasa intro yun eh. Yung, sorry to say this, pero yung madilim na na performance. Ayun yung dapat ipapalabas ng full. And then, I was one of the chosen member na mag-ending fairy. Parang 15 person ng atay na piling mag-ending fairy. Isa ako doon. And then, sadly, hindi siya na napalabas. So, sayang. Yes, nandun mi sa venue. Super galing yung parang group ng baby talaga. Thank you so much, Kirsten Luna. Alex is here again. Sana makasunod ko sa future events niyo. Sana. I want to see you, Heron. I really, really appreciate your edits. Promise. Sayang. Yes, super sayang. Gusto niyo makita yung video? I feel ko upload ko na lang tong fancam na to. Actually, bawal siya. Let me check ko nandito pa. Oh, yeah, it's here. Oops, I think i-upload ko na lang siya. here sa TikTok and Instagram. Wala kang audio, Alex. Promise. Wala kang audio. Wala akong naririnig. Ask them. Ask them. Wala kang audio. Alex Laban. Tinan mo comment nila, oh. Wala kang audio. Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Guys. Gusto ko na magka-channel sa Instagram. Gusto ko na magka-channel sa IG. I reach 1,000 followers na. Pero I think nag-ano pa siya, naglo-loading pa. Gusto ko na magkaroon ng channel sa Instagram. Nakauwi ka na ba doon ng maayos, Alex? VBS. Super ganda ng BBS, no? I told you I want you. You are the shining diamond. Thank you po. Hi, Gel. Gusto ko na magka-broadcast channel. Oh, thank you, Janelle. Thank you so much for watching my live. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Good night. Tel, mas bet mo ba dark or bright concept? For me, feel ko mas fit ako sa bright concept. Diba? Like, tama ba? Like, feel ko mas fit ako. Kasi super saya ko. Pero kaya ko naman mag-dark din. Pero I was really into bright concept. Alex, wala ka pa rin audio. Next time, language na lang. Oh, thank you. Yes. Hanggat allow pa kami mag-live, we will try na like mag-live to catch up with you guys before kami pagbawalan. I'm sure pagbabawalan kami 9. Kasi mag-focus na kami sa work. And may dapat kayong abangan. Mas bagay ka sa bright concept, diba? Pero bagay ba sa akin yung Fly Me to the Moon? Please, rank member ng Fly Me to the Moon. Top 1 ko, ilan ba kami? 10? Top 1 ko, si Yuno yung. Top 2 ko, like, ito lang nakikita kong fit talaga doon sa Fly Me to the Moon. Top 1 ko Yuno yung. Top 2, Dylan. Super slay ni Kuya Dylan. Ni Dylan. Top 3 ko, So. Top 4. Top 4. Top 4 ko si Johan. Kasi bagay kasi kay Johan yung concept na yun. I mean, actually magkaiba kami ng vibes ni Johan eh. Johan is into dark and me I'm too bright. Napag-usapan namin yun na before. Iba shining diamond BBS. Tugtog niya tayo. And then, number 5 ko, siguro, si Zor. Ihuli ko na yung sarili ko. 7 si Kenshin. 8 si Ram. Ayoko random na to. 8 si Ram. 9 si... Sino pa ba ang mga members ng Climate? Si Ivan yung... I think bagay kasi talaga si Ivan yung sa Bright. And 10 na ako. Thank you nga pala ikaw unang dito na pagmanson. Really? Ay, si PJP pa. Yes. Hindi super gulo talaga. Actually, super bagay sila lahat sa Fly Me to the Moon. Parang ako lang naliligaw doon. Thank you, Kirsten. Hindi ko na rin alam talaga kasi yung mga nilapitan ko after nung nagpumunta na ako sa mga fans. Hindi ko na alam kasi yung mga nilapitan ko. Pero if ever ito yung una, yes, thank you so much. Actually guys, while nire-rehearse namin yung Fly Me to the Moon, Mentor Bay helped us a step kasi siya yung gumawa nun. Siya yung gumawa ng step ng Fly Me to the Moon. And then nagkulat si Mentor Bay, bakit daw ako nandun sa Fly Me to the Moon? And then hinihilan niya ako sa kabilang studio doon sa mga nagka-training ng BBS. Tapos tawa ako ng tawa. Sabi ko kay Mentor Bay na, pero in English sabi ko, di ba Mentor Bay gusto mo kong mag-try ng ibang concept? So ayun. Pero super happy naman si Mentor Bay na na-pull off ko naman yung Fly Me to the Moon. And tinatry ko rin, of course, pakita yung versatility ko sa mga every time na mag-perform. And ayun, Alex, wala ka pa rin tunog talaga. Para kang ano dyan, watermark. Signal song ata. Diba? Para siyang watermark na sa gilid. Tumatawag ka, ha? Nai-stop dito. Naka-DN ditong phone ko. Asset kay Zor po. Pure Filipino po ba kayo? No, Zor... Ay, asset ni Zor. Si Dylan, half Australian. And then, si Jello, alam ko may 1/4 Chinese siya. And then si Johan, Filipino. Ako, Filipino. Si Francis, Filipino. Yeah, yun lang. Hi, Expo. Back. Hindi ka naman yung narinig mo si Tel. Baby, we can never stop. Nowhere, yeah. Sobrang mix and motion pakinggan to. Sobrang traumatizing din. Nakimarites ako nung kina Jay at Wave. Next to you. Hi Ian. You're back. Live po si Francis. Where? Please tell Francis, mag-join kami, dalawa. Dali, sabihin niyo kay Francis, dalawa kami. Dali. Punta kayo kay Francis sa video, sumali siya sa akin. Or ako yung sasali sa kanya. Dali, sabihin niyo kay Alex, sabihin niyo kay Francis. Francis. Nakalive ako, sabihin niyo, join ako. Tapos sabihan niyo ako kung ako'y aalis. Wala mo lang Jatel ngayon, Stelex muna. Walang, guys, malungkot si Alex kasi wala siyang tunog. Alex, ba't kasi wala kang sound? Kakainis ka. Nahihilo na ako sa inyo kasi, please, sabihin niyo kay kay Francis. Wait nga, I'm gonna follow him na. Francis. Ano pangalan? Oh my God, marireveal na hindi kami mutual ni Francis sa TikTok. Ba't mutual na kami sa Facebook and IG? TikTok hindi pa. What is... Wait. Ito ba? Ay live nga siya. Wait, alis na lang ako siguro. Or siya yung palipatin. Siya na lang palipatin nyo dito. Dali. Gusto ko makausap si Francis. Chat ko nga siya. Really? Mawawalan tayo ng viewers. Si Ron pa nag-live. Kuya Ron, please. Wala. Di nag-deliver message ko kay Francis. Alex, ba't di kita makaangkap? Gisingin ng Teletubbies. Nag-live na ang lahat. Ano ba yan? Mawala tayo ng viewers. Nilipat na ako kay Francis, babush. Let me end this live. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much everyone. Nilipat tayo kay Francis. Bye-bye.